Hi friends, let me show you this salt and pepper grinder set that I received for the reviewing purposes. First of all, you get this nice black box. It's like a gift box, comes like this, pretty. And the two units are Acacia wood finish. They are really nice, as you can see. They match perfectly, and you know what it is because they have an S for the salt unit and a P for the pepper unit, okay? So both of them work the same. The P for the pepper, also in the top accessory, in the top part. You get this out and you fill it with the pepper here. Then you close it again. You screw it not really tight because you need some room for it to work, okay? And the S for the salt also in this top accessory, okay? You put the salt there, Himalayan salt or sea salt or whatever kind of salt you like, and you will be able to use it like this.